Hey, welcome back. I'm Jeff. This is Stuff I Made, and in today's video I'll be making one of these bad boys, a rack stop for my bench vise. Yeah, you can buy these online for about 20-30 quids. Yeah, but I had some sheets of HDPE plastic in 1mm, 2mm and 4mm, so ideal for what I wanted to make. I have seen these made out of MDF and also hardwood, so if that's what you've got, use it. And anyway, let's have a look at the problem this solves first of all, and then I'll show you how I made it. Enjoy. Okay, so here's the problem it's solving. If you open your vise and put a piece of stock in and then close it, as you tighten on the vise, what starts to happen is this edge closes in and consequently this edge doesn't, so it pinches the wood here, compressing the fibres of the wood, damaging it. But also it can damage your vise. You can see this closing in and even more, and this gap is getting even bigger here. Hopefully you can see the angle between there.
Aside from my soul, there goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. There goes a sight from my soul. I think a tall angel just walked by. 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 There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my there goes a sight. There goes a sight, there goes a sight.
Okay guys, that's it finished. This is a rack stop made from walnut and HDPE plastic. I'll show you how I use it now. Okay, so if you have your stock and your rack stop, just push it down around the wood and then just work out how much of the HDPE you need to push around it. That looks like a good fit to me. Take that piece out, put it into the vise, push it down, and then when you're ready to clamp, you put an equal pressure on this side of the vise and on the piece of wood here on both sides. So that's it, job done. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe, click the button down below, throw in some comments if you like. Yeah, I've got a few more videos coming up, some interesting ones. I know it's been a little while, but I'll pick it up a little bit now. Anyway, see you soon, take care.